I'm so sad. My beloved Daisy Blue. I gave her a dent. And what's worse is I gave her a dent by running into my husband's car, which isn't here in the garage right now. And honestly, I don't blame him one bit for not wanting it to be anywhere near me. So anyway, a couple different people, Allison for one, suggested that I apply heat or air or anyway to Google and find out how to fix my own bumper myself. So here's my husband's air compressor. I'm going to turn it on, and I found a hole underneath here. My son helped me find the hole. So I will apply pressure to this cavity because it seems that it's sealed off right here. So I also have a heat gun from when I used to have a painting business. I'll go ahead and try that. So I've got my hot air gun and warm it up a little bit. The air compressor is all set up, but it's really loud. So I don't think I'll be able to videotape while I do it. I don't know, we'll see. I might. Oh, darn it. It's not working. Too much air is leaking. It didn't work. So on to plan B. I'm going to try using a screwdriver and pull it out. Well, first maybe I'll try using a rubber mallet. Nope, that's not working. Wish me luck. Well, reverse isn't going to help it, will it? Or was it? All right. Maybe try using the arm that didn't recently have surgery to pull. That might work a little better. Well, it didn't work. Went right back in. Maybe if I heat it again. All right, applying a little heat. Helped it come out a little better. I think I'll have to put the screw in a couple more spots first before I continue on. Screw hole number 2. I don't like how many holes this is looking like it's going to take. Dang, it still isn't good, but it is getting closer. A little more heat and a third screw hole. Come on, stay out. Maybe some more heat. Well, and 2 more holes, and it still isn't right. It is better than it was, significantly better, but it still isn't right. I don't know what I'm gonna do.